How to clear WhatsApp cache. So to be able to clear your WhatsApp cache, all you have to do is to go here to your WhatsApp you have to go here to your settings. And for iPhones, you can go to your general. And for Androids, what you can do is to tap on or search for your WhatsApp application. So for iPhones, go to general and go to iPhone storage. Now, what you want to do next is to look for the WhatsApp application here. Say this one. And then for iPhones, you will see offload application. You just have to tap on offload app and then just wait for it. So basically, it will actually clear cache or refresh the application itself. And then tap on reinstall. For Androids, what you can do is to look for your application or the WhatsApp application, and there will be a specific options that says cache, clear cache, and then all you have to do is to clear cache, and basically that is how you clear WhatsApp cache. And that's it. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.